What causes Sunday night anxiety? Do you notice your anxiety increasing on Sunday evening? The Sunday Scaries are real and feel awful. If you experience Sunday night anxiety, stick around because we're going to unpack some potential causes of Sunday night anxiety as well as ways to restore peace back to your Sunday. Hi, I'm Mary Catherine. I'm a therapist in Boulder, Colorado, and my mission is to help adults unlock their full potential and create a life of their dreams. Here are some potential causes for Sunday night anxiety. 1. Anticipation of the week ahead. I'm worried about these deadlines. I want to do a good job at work. I don't want to let anybody down. I hope I'm going to be enough. 2. I'm overcommitted and overscheduled. I have no idea how I'm going to get done everything I committed to this week. 3. I have difficulty saying no and setting boundaries with others. Sure, I can do this. Oh, I know I probably shouldn't, but yes, I don't want to let you down. Any of these thought processes can increase our anxiety on a Sunday. Here are some ways to bring peace back to you. 1. Investigate what's happening on the inside. Check in with your body. If your anxiety could speak, what would it tell you? For example, maybe it would say, I'm so busy this week, I don't even have a moment to breathe. If that's the case, then I know I need to cancel some things, I need to reset for the following week, and or prioritize some downtime for myself. Giving yourself room to breathe, prioritizing downtime, and raising your consciousness about what you're saying yes to and why are all ways that you can reduce Sunday night anxiety. Another opportunity to bring peace back to your Sunday is prioritize a good night's sleep. Sleep rebalances the central nervous system and calms the body. I like to prep for sleep by drinking a hot cup of herbal tea and dimming the lights, and this lets my body know it's almost time for bed. Another important task of reducing anxiety is eating a healthy meal and avoiding offending foods that can exacerbate anxiety, which include sugar, caffeine, alcohol, dairy, chocolate. Let me break this down a little bit more. Dairy and chocolate have a protein in them called lectin, which inflames the brain and exacerbates anxiety. Sugar has long been known to increase and decrease the blood sugar rapidly, which can trigger feelings of anxiety. Caffeine. High levels of caffeine can bring jitters, nervousness, and feelings of anxiety. Alcohol. This one's tricky because oftentimes we think this soothes our nerves. In actuality, it increases anxiety by changing the levels of serotonin and neurotransmitters in the brain. Once the alcohol wears off, the anxiety is even worse. If you are having patterns of anxiety, and this is happening more often than not, it may be time to seek support for yourself and address some structural issues that may be causing anxiety. I support adults dealing with anxiety. If you'd like to learn more, check out my website, marycatherine.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscriber and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos to support you along your healing journey. Take really good care of yourself, and I look forward to seeing you back here really soon.